Hey guys, welcome back to Lovely Land. We're gonna do a tie-dye video for you. So we're leaving Starbucks right now, and we have Nannie in the back, and she's eating her little cake pop. So yeah, I guess we're gonna go buy some t-shirts in a little bit. So yeah, we'll see you then. Man is looking at me crazy. This camera is heavy. Like me holding it up like this all the time. Hi. What's up? But I'm stronger. Okay. So yeah, we'll get back to you when we're in the car.
T-shirts.
So we had to go to another store to get the t-shirts. Okay. So guys, we just drumlined on the way here. It was hilarious because we had like this girl. She was in her car and then she looked at us like this. I'm angry because we couldn't buy any shirts. So yeah, after a long day of whatever this is, I don't know. Get it up, down, 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 down. Let me switch up the tempo, switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Why am I acting like this is a music like? To the tempo. To the tempo. Oh yeah, guys, follow me on Musical.ly, LAH101.
Yeah.
So guys, today we are going to be doing a tie-dye video. So we have the coloring, tie-dye coloring. We have some like designs and like the instructions or whatever. We have a thing and like if stuff get really messy. We have shirts. We have
rubber bands.
These little plates, rubber bands. We have little soda thingies like for like washing anything. And we have some other stuff.
We're also going to be doing
Face masks.
Oh, there's
Wow,
more.
there's a lot.
Good, you'll need them for later.
Okay, so let's put on these gloves first, so we won't dye our hands. These look like the lunch lady kind of gloves.
Yeah, they are.
Starbucks gloves. I mean, not Starbucks. Oh my god.
Yep.
My hands are dyed pink.
Because of this pink thing.
Well, if it's any color, if you have your hands dyed, at least it's pink.
Yep.
I love pink.
So okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is open these so we can fill them up. What did you do? What did you do?
I think it's just step one.
Wait, okay.
Are your hands made of glue?
No.
There we go.
Just leave them like that. Just leave them. And then
Take it. Sorry.
toss it like around like this.
La.
Nah.
You're one bossy sister.
Well, love being bossy to you, Nannie. Dearly and truly. Okay.
Oh, I dyed my arm.
Oh my god. She said, oh, I dyed my arm.
Now that works.
This is hilarious. So for the swirl look that I want, Beth is gonna twist the t-shirt because I'm not good at doing things like that. But so yeah, it's like I forgot to get my scrunchie from my mom, so now I'm gonna be having hair that's
Is this fun, guys?
This is so much fun. Messing up shirts.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nice, Nannie. Wow, you're doing a good job. Like, yeah.
Right here.
So right now, we're gonna be wrapping this thing like really tight.
What's the real lesson we're learning here today?
Don't wear good clothes to the park when you're doing tie-dye.
That's it.
Okay.
So we got our t-shirt tacos,
Yep. Molly, she's
and in 8 hours, you take them out, run them under cold water, and then hot water.
After 15 minutes, wash off mask. So that's it.
it feels like slime.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I look like a clown.
Nani's face is right here. Say hi, Nani. Hi. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Hi. Okay. So yeah. Been 15 minutes. Finally, time to take it off. So bye.